can't find it. There was a scene I really wanted to show you.
No, it's okay. Celia, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why do you, carry an umbrella around all the time?
I want to be prepared in case it rains.
I know that's not why.
It's not that important.
It is important.
I mean, it makes me feel safe.
Safe? How could an umbrella make you feel safe?
I don't know. Can you go home now?
Celia, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you upset. Hey, Celia.
Hey, Dan.
It looks like it's gonna rain today. You know I'm really sorry about yesterday, right?
I know.
I mean, I shouldn't have asked you that.
It's fine, Danny. It really doesn't matter.
Are you sure? I don't want you to be mad at me. I really like you.
I like you too.
Damn it.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Danny.
I'm sure you are.
Why are you so mad?
I'm not mad.
Then what's wrong?
I'm just really sick of your umbrella.
It's not that big of a deal. It's just an umbrella.
It's just an umbrella? How can you say that? I think you just have it so no one can ever get close to you.
Don't say that.
Well, it's true. Why am I trying so hard to get you to like me if there's always going to be an umbrella in the way?
The umbrella's not getting in the way.
Really? Why is it that you're always alone? You have no friends. No one ever talks to you.
Stop it.
Fine. I will stop.
Hey Celia, thanks for the $1. You're awesome!
I'm really sorry, Celia. I didn't mean what I said. You know, you're really smart. It's really cold out here.
You can have it if you want. I don't need it.